So let us take this question. Consider the following multiplication problem. PQ into 3 is equal to RQQ, where P, Q and R are different digits and R not equal to 0. Then what is the value of P plus R divided by Q? So here, if you are getting this kind of question, this is from the topic number system. So if you want to watch the full lecture on number system, I'll be adding the link for that lecture in the description box so you can watch it. So if you are getting a question like this, you need to do in this approach. Okay. So it is given PQ into 3 is equal to RQQ. Okay. So here I will tell you something before moving on to this question. For example, let's say I am doing a multiplication. Let's say 26 into 3. So 26 into 3 is 6 into 3 is 18. 2 into 3 is 6. Then 7. It is 78. So if you are given a multiplication like this, here the last digit was 8. And here the last digit is 3. And here the last digit is 6. So if you are multiplying these last digits of these two numbers, you will get 6 into 3, 18. So here you are getting 8 and here you will get the same digit. So this you need to keep in mind. So in that way I am going to solve this question. Okay. So here it is Q and here it is Q. So we need to think which digit when multiplied by 3 will get unit digit the same digit. So for example, if I am multiplying 1 into 3, we are getting 3. We are not getting 1. So this is not Q. Q is not 1. If I am multiplying with 2 into 3, you are getting 6. So here it is 2, here it is 6. So this is also not the case. But if I take 5, 5 into 3 is 15, right? Here it is 5, here also last digit is 5. So this satisfies this Q. So Q will be 5. Okay, Q will be 5. So in this way you can find Q first by just checking the last digit. So Q will be 5. This will also become 5 because last digit will be 5. 5 into 3 is 15. Last digit is 5. So this way we can do it. So this is also 5 anyways. Now we need to find what is P and R. Now the thing is, this is an integer. Okay, this is a number or an integer. So PQ into 3 is RQQ. That means RQQ is divisible by 3. Right? RQQ is divisible by 3 because something into 3 is RQQ. So RQQ will be divisible by 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? If a number is divisible by 3 and then the sum of digits of that number will also be divisible by 3. So here if I add R plus Q, that is in this number, we will be getting a number which is divisible by 3. We know that Q is 5. So that is 5 plus 5 is 10. So R plus 10 will be divisible by 3. Then R will be either 2 because 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Then R cannot come 5, right? Because when it is given that PQ and PQR are different digits. So since Q is 5, R will not be 5. So that won't come. Then 8 will also come because 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. So R will be either 2 or it will be 8. So we need to check that. So now let us see what is P. For that now we got RQQ is either it is 255 or it is 855. So I am first taking 255. Okay. So 255, what is PQ? PQ will be RQQ divided by 3. So 255 divided by 3 is 8 3s are 24. Then it will 15. That means 85. So PQ is coming as 85 if I put 255. So that means 85 into 3 is equal to 255. So this is satisfying. Now let's see what we will get if I am putting 855 for RQQ. So 855 divided by 3 is 2 3s are 6. Then 25. 6 3s are 8 3s are 24. Then 15. Then you will get 5 here. You are getting 285. But PQ is a 2-digit number. You are getting here 3-digit number. So 855 will not come. So this is our answer. So P is 8, Q is 5 and R is 2. We need to find what is P plus R divided by Q. So P is 8, R is 2. So P plus R is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the answer is option B, 2. Okay.